sorry. That can't have been easy.
You see him close for renovation, and the underground moves right in. Finn's gotta be inside.
Hope I can be there to see the explosion. It'll change everything.
Hey, siesta time.
What was that?
Morales is evacuating Harlem.
I had a clear shot at it during the rally. Should have taken it.
You asked me? We should have taken it.
Alright. Let's see what kind of security they've got. Same kind of barrier they had at Gym Theater. I need to drain the generators. Those shacks, which are locked and powered down. Need a new power source. Yeah, this'll work. Oh yeah, this'll work. Need to wire it to the shacks. Got it. Sticky and conductive. That's one. Feeling good. Oh, this is gonna work. Working. A couple more. Yes. I saw one more. Can't believe how well this is working. Sweet. Time to break the underground's toys.
Ben? You here?
Exhibit was down that hall. Underground cache. She's gotta be further inside.
Ben? Come on. We need to finish this. You and me.
She's gotta be with our project. Down that hall.
Come on, molasses. I want to see our project while we're still young.
Welcome to the Oscorp Science Center, where tomorrow's innovation is today's...
I'm coming. Hey, where'd they put us?
I've got the museum map on my phone. Our project's in a special exhibit on the top floor. Can't wait to see our names on the little sign, like real scientists.
Today, Oscorp Science Center. Tomorrow, every major museum in the world.
Since the mid-20th century, scientists have
I'm naming
envisioned
that
human
one
habitation
Howard.
beneath the sea.
You name one.
Leviathan.
Love it. Thanks for bringing me.
This dive suit is one of the first developed in the early 18th century. The first
Think they'll let me try it on?
Would love to see you try to walk around in that thing.
Can't be worse than those shoes you wore to the spring dance.
Oh, come on. Yours were at least an inch higher than mine.
Special exhibits upstairs. There's the elevator.
We've got time to look around first. Do you have tickets for the special exhibit?
Oh, our project is on display. Didn't think we needed tickets.
You do, and we're sold out. Can't let you go upstairs.
Thanks anyway. So we need another way in.
She said there's no more tickets.
Right, but see that door? The hallway behind it wraps around to the elevator.
Can't just break in.
We have to. They're taking down the exhibit tomorrow, and then we'll never
Locked.
see it. I recognize that kind of lock. If you shine a light at it, it'll open.
The flashlights on our phones would work. They won't reach.
They will if we find a way to slide something reflective under the door.
Something reflective. It'd be nice to find something mutable.
Look at you breaking out the fancy vocab.
Shut up. We need something reflective.
And something you can slide under the door, but still move around.
Shape memory alloy. I could change the shape on the museum map. This stuff is crazy. Think it's a metamaterial? That's it. Take it. Don't let anyone see.
Got it. Let's go.
Whoa, man. Sorry.
All good?
Still need something reflective.
Did you call Dad back? Look how the external tools interface directly.
Oh, hey, look. Solar mirrors. And sticky on the back.
Perfect for tricking a light-sensitive lock. I've got the light. Tell me when the sticker's pointed at the sensor, and I'll turn it on.
No one's looking at us yet. Gotta hurry.
That worked! We did it! Come on! Our project awaits. That was awesome. I'm gonna miss doing stuff like this with you.
What are you talking about?
Hello? You'll be at Brooklyn Visions next week. I won't.
I'm not gonna vanish off the planet. We'll still hang out.
You'll be busy.
Not that busy. I'm gonna make time for us. Seriously.
Okay. Ugh, this is getting mushy. Come on, let's head upstairs.
Hey, Dad.
Hey, Miles.
Hi, Mr. Davis.
Finn says hi.
You kids having fun? Make sure you get a picture of your project.
Dad, it's not a big deal.
It's totally a big deal.
Okay. We'll get a picture. Love you, Dad. Bye.
This is it. Our project's in the back.
Think they got a converter all hooked up?
Otherwise, what's the point? They'll need to feed biomass in, though. Maybe hook it up to a trash can.
Are you still thinking about applying for Oscorp's?
One of humanity's greatest accomplishments came from the Apollo space program.
Oh, wait! Would you look at that? Genuine award-winning scientists.
No one told us we were in the special exhibit. Ticket only.
How'd you get in?
I bought a ticket. How'd you get in?
Not important.
Hey, huddle up. We need a picture.
You gotta be in it too. You helped us get it working.
Okay, fine. Scoot over. All right. Say alleles.
I am not saying that.
Finn, you need to know.
I'm done listening to you.
I had to tell her what happened to the reactor.
He'll bleed!
Don't let her follow the taker!
This is my favorite museum!
Don't let her... Where did I tear you apart? Spider-Man's hurt! Keep going!
The underground's a show. I saw a Roxxon tank. All the roads out of Harlem are blocked.
Where are you?
Near your apartment, trying to find shelter.
Get to Dale's bodega. I'll be there soon.
We'll keep everyone safe as long as we can.
Gotta take care of them before I head back to Harlem.
Give up already!
Stop the underground!
You can't! He's invisible! There!
I need to get to Harlem. Now, before Finn destroys the reactor. Yankee, talk to me. How's the evacuation going?